Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is Mehdi QZ and I'm back after 2 months, I think. I don't know really. And we're gonna make a sad guitar hip hop type beats in this video. So let's go. Okay, now we are in FL Studio. So I wanna make a sad beat. So I set the tempo from around 100 BPM. I don't know. I think it's gonna be good. So let's add some guitars. Okay, so let's go. I wanna choose the D sharp minor. It's gonna be good. Or D minor. Yeah. Okay. We need a piano in here. Oh my god. Come on, it's so fire, bro. Oh my god. We need some ad, I think. Oh my god. Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So let's I'm gonna record it. So do. Okay. It's gonna be in it. Okay, now let's go make some drums. Okay. Okay, so I have to use cymatic. Okay, I need some hi-hat roll, so Let's make it. No. Yeah, that's nice. I type. Let's hear it. Here and some. Oh, nice. Ooh, come on. Oh. Oh, come on, bro. Maybe we needed some another instrumental. I wanna open. I wanna violin. Okay, let's check it. Ooh, holy shit! What the? Oh my god, that's so fire. Oh, let's go, bro. Okay. I changed the acoustic piano to the electric piano. I think that's the sound's gonna be good. I don't know. Check it. Ooh. Here. Oh. Oh. Nice. I wanna put some reverb on. put it in island in here and snake chicken here and okay, I think that's gonna be enough. Let's listen the beat and make sure you subscribe me and leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you. Goodbye for another video. Bye.